Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to check out a database template that is not even on our website yet, but will be soon.
we're going to check out the Microsoft Access Mechanic Appointment Tracking Database template. So once this template is on our website, you go click on the template and you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the current version of Microsoft Access that your computer is running on. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and open the file, and that's going to bring you to this screen where you need to extract all of the file. So hit extract all and extract the file. Once you've extracted it, go ahead and open the file. And this database template is for a mechanic to keep track of all their customers and all their appointments. However, if you like this database template, but maybe you're not a mechanic, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to make it compatible for any type of company that you run or any requirement that you wish to have. So to get started here, we're going to add a new customer, and as I go through this demo, you're going to notice some information and data that is already in this database template. That was just added for the sake of the demonstration. When you purchase the database template, you'll be able to implement all of your own data and none of ours will be there. So we're going to add a new customer, and as you can see, you can fill out a lot of information on this page. I will only be filling out the necessary information for the sake of the demonstration. So we're going to put in a name and a test email, and we're going to implement a phone number as well, just put in a fake one. But as you can see, you can put in a picture of the customer, their address, notes about the customer, call history, appointment history, and even payment history of the customer. So it's pretty detailed. We're going to fill out just this information that we filled out. Go ahead and hit save and close. And now what you can do is you can search customers. So if you want to search by any of these different criteria, you can. We're going to keep it simple and just search by first name. Go ahead and hit search. And there's that customer that we created that shows up. And there's one of these dummy customers that was added just for the sake of a demo. So this is the one I created though, and you can even double click the customer if you want to go back and maybe add some notes about them, or maybe you called them so you want to add some call information about them. So this is really good for if you have a ton of customers in your database and you just need to quickly search through to find a specific customer. Go ahead and cancel out of it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calendar view and we're going to add an appointment. So today is April 27th, 2016, so we're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So go ahead and double click this time slot and make it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. first. And then what you need to do is you need to fill out the rest of the information. So the customer is the test customer that I just created. Mechanic, we'll keep it simple, mechanic 1. Like I said, this is just dummy information that was added for the sake of the demo. Type, we'll do individual. And location, we'll do location 1. As you can see, the invoice amount also updates when you pick a type of appointment. And if you're going to have multiple mechanics work on a car or anything that you're working on, you can even add multiple mechanics for one specific appointment, and you can even put how they're going to pay for the appointment. And as you also can see, you can put in notes about the appointment. So we're going to actually select a custom color. This is for organization, so I'll show you. So if I hit save and close now, it shows up green right here. And the reason why the color is significant is because if you're going to have multiple appointments back to back to back, or maybe at the exact same times, you can color code it to make it easier in the eyes and to be able to tell when one appointment ends and when the next one begins. So it's pretty cool. And as you can see, we do have weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and month or day views. So I'll just show you what that looks like on there. So here's a month and day view. You can see the daily view. You scroll down here, and this is the calendar view. So you can see that appointment that I had just created. And that's the color that I made it. Go back to our daily view, and like I said, you can even double click this if you want to go back and edit maybe appointment, maybe oh they're late or they're going to change the time to 8:30 instead. You can do that as well. And what you can do now is you can search for appointments as well. So if you need to know all the appointments that you have maybe on a specific day, or maybe you have multiple mechanic locations and you want to know all the appointments that you have only at location 1, you can do that. So go ahead and hit run search, and I'm going to search for location 1. And so all the appointments at location 1 show up, and this is the one that I had just created. So you can even double click this if you want to go back and edit the information. Double click it, you maybe want to change something again. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty detailed. Close out of this for now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs. Whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything, feel free to contact us for anything that you like whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media platform. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.